What's going on, guys? Welcome to video 1 of the ranch roping field guide. In this field guide, we're going to cover 40 different shots and angles and a couple other various little tips and tricks that'll help you get better at roping. If you haven't seen the ranch roping field guide PDF at 310edu.com, you can go there, purchase the PDF, download it to your phone, and each card is going to give you the shot details for every single shot in these videos. We're starting out with the parts of the loop. So for a lot of these shots, you're going to have to understand the parts of your loop so that you understand what I'm saying when I'm explaining it or when you're reading it on each individual card. So we're going to start out here with your spoke. The spoke is going to be the area of the loop between your hand and the Honda or Hondo. It's this part. This spoke for most shots needs to be 25% of your loop. So a quarter of your loop. That's going to give your loop balance. It's going to keep you from figure eighting as much. The second part of the loop we're going to talk about is the Honda. I call it a Honda. Lots of people call it a Hondo. Either way, you're going to know what I'm talking about. The eye of your rope is called a Honda. The last part of the loop we're going to talk about is the tip of the loop. This is going to be the tip of the loop. It's very important to know where this is at all times so that you can accurately deliver these shots. Some of these shots are going to need the tip in specific situations or the angle of your swing, your feeling for the tip of your rope. So those are going to be the parts of the loop. Additionally, we have the coils, right? It's pretty easy. This is what's going to be in your left hand as you're swinging your loop. Guys, thank y'all so much for watching. If you want to download the field guide to ranch roping, scan this QR code here or hit the link in the description. Head over to 310edu.com and get it bought. You can download it straight to your phone so you can have all the information you need to get better at roping. Thanks.